ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka BDWS Career Academy kan penlong ya Meghalaya Scholastic Aptitude Test haka khatan riu tarik upanai March haka porship ho bajem step hashulong tura but clear.
Ka Rural Graph and Engineering Division kala penlong ka Marketing and Promotional Workshop asngi kanti halor kamat Scheme on Studies for Promotion and Strengthening of Black Pottery haka khat arba khalai tarik repair haka snong tersyang bat Larnai West Kyntiew Hills District haka jingalang pli kolong tersi in hakli tersi Laidan lang Joint Director Commerce Industries Shillong ba ML Wansong kum kongsan bot u General Manager jo DCIC Joy ba Biwar Jari kum sambut kongsan kani ka project kadai ke belah baitangka da ketanat Commerce and Industries ka Sarkar Jala bala pentrikam da ka Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Rural Industrialization Wardha Maharashtra kabde ka Research and Development Institute ka bahapo ja Ministry of MSME ka Sarkar India ka jingtmu bokongsan jo ka project kalong Kyntiew i kam Karkhana kiba penmi ya Jingshna Tynrai kum Kyntiew ya yau ka hat bat penjur ke jipan mi ikitir snakti ni artisans bat penyok nong bat ban pli kilat yok kam yok jam nak benta kino snakti bat kino seng kam lajang ha kita nong kandang Joint Director Ketrat Commerce and Industries la aikuble yikinong peniat halor ke jingkarshan nak benta kini kinong sna bat kinong tan keti kamtam hak biadai bagi jingshna yikini ki kiu kandau hapo kasnong Larnai bat tersyang Katba nakaliang Dr. K. Venkata Rao, Deputy Director of Rural Craft and Engineering, ula pentip bakane ka program ba asngi katmu ban pansai pet ba. Halor ki senjam, bat ki lat ba per kumno ban panya yau, ban Kyntiew, yak jing panmi ki kiu, bat ki we ki tiar blasna daga khandau.
Ngadap daga jing kemen ka bakrau banga warna ka Singapore. Mangani ba philai bun kan de nangkong do ngakan mau ki program ki balalai ki don ki basiphongut ki don ki ba arphongut ki don ki ban ruphongut mereka ni ketika sin bandungkong mangani ba philai bun kan ne te dang lawar wat benya nga kali niki mulai arab ipi kiong pementa berkhoi ngelai donang sispa siphongut te hoj akan ke program kani project bengila long yela pan mo babon hi gede Larnai ka to kene tersyang te nakida ka bamla tiar la segi tersyang ro kim yasnok tilang bat ngi kene project te jin ba kila wanlang segitu ngatre la pelat ya kalai spa saspa mo tom lele spifki nginang kiu hi ki hakane ka kam te kalong ka mo ke ike sang ke babha ke mani hadu sispa chhongot ba filai don mo kalenti ni thu pi no kam de kam ka pasuk mo manta phila su thu ndai banong bas thu bania la kam su thu ka to ka ne hagane ka project ba pilong thi te philawan training ka to ka ne plai jet na liang jo ki mo ti ban wan cha wada la sa ang tu atu ke institute la training mati su kalong gumno ka institute ka training mo nata kilawan sebenarnya training hani senong jong pi ka bay appear na ka bay level ke mo ya ki artisan ya ki master trainer nangta ka banong kam do kolong ba ki la elam ya pi chekini ki exposure visit ke mo kini ki bru hui jaka ke ki bun ki spa ke hajar ti cluster pi yang ni bidang red plat kidan cluster bedu san hajar ngot gidan bisna putri ko Uttar Pradesh te play yang tu kumbang doktor Venkata Rao mana kumno mamaki ndai kiladun kita ki common facility center ma ki yang kisam ke babiang ki machine materi ki yang ne dang long kurung geram dang dai ke ba mensuong no ngai pi ni ka project nang dai tang wasdang ni be mo ke ki jeng persyang jeng ye ko na kalian ka department commerce industries mo dang dai tang wasdang galenti udang jerong ba mo bagin ya lam lenti ya pi bagin support ya pi ngin persian mo ki kam per te ngatrai wat tang ini project belaya cisnem ro stu labon ba ke mo ki bala kala pe ki idea la ni ki jing tik bat mai lai I bat kham tam ki so thu kum nu ki bru ki la im ja na ni ka kam ke ka long full time job ki ong ma kim dang kam su man rap man riang man ri jing ri ne menteri wi kam thik tang ka kam snai ki ni ki kundo ma ki rai kila display ang to ba menta ki bru kila kali yang ngi ro ma de yang la kam I pher ni ki tiar man chua ki long plane be kum to tang khnien soi kila ro kila kam pher Ibu fi long ta ke ki nong thiet ru hap li benya hap pit na ko por ne kum no ke jing itana de kum no ke jing pichnai ki tiar ki ba matmai ta ma te kelenti mo ngai phi ka nang dei kelenti ka ba jrong ba ma te ai be ke ber khoi ngen muti ho le no mun tha ro bon khu bon panya I kelenti mo ha ka ba dei kanang ba ka ni ka kam ka bala nadu men merim Ulai mo bala ko nam kata ka larnai ba tersiang mo snai ni bukan numja ke bukan ya na ko ka pateng sa ko pat ba kumju ro mo ba kan nang khlan ju su mungkin la pen mi kinu ki tiar ki batmai ke bat ba khambon kanang ba kila man pen imja phi ke sundar mo bat men persang ka bala mungkin tri kum ka group mo kita bagi yong ki cluster approach ke kanang ba kalau we ka ba hadian tu ngila ban pendium kipier pengilaban pendiang cepat.
Divided this project in two phases. Phase 1 is completely study how many craftsmen there in Larna, how many craftsmen there in Tichang, and there are lots of craftsmen who are not they are not come in limelight. So in this part, we went to village door to door in the villages. And we found out there are lots of craftsmen existing in the village, but a few people only practicing. Then, so we made a survey and we found the problem. What is the problem? What is the the main issues we need to concentrate and develop? So during the study we found there are lots of issues in that. So then we focused on that. Based on the survey, we made a deep DSR Diagnostic Study Report. Submit to the Ministry, Commerce and Department of Common, Directorate of Commerce and Industries, and then based on that report, we designed a phase 2 activities. Then we thought, let's take it because we need to give lots of skill development training program because, for example, there are few people practicing, but there are lots of people who can do that. They're from their clan or some. So we target those people to involve more people in this craft. Then to give 70-80 people, the training to the 70-80 people, of 2 people not enough. Then we decided when we planned, bring some people to our institute. So 14 people we brought them. We given them trainers of training. The people who are already practicing there, we brought them. We taught them some new technologies, new production. Production point of view, using new machines and new designs. What are the products which is going in market? So there it was for 20 days we have given the training to the people.